Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Volvo EX90. Volvo's journey toward an all-electric future takes a significant leap forward with the introduction of the 2026 Volvo EX90, a luxurious flagship SUV, positioned above the XC90 in Volvo's lineup, setting a new benchmark for all-electric SUVs. The 2026 Volvo EX90 represents a pivotal moment in Volvo's transition to an all-electric lineup. Combining cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and luxurious Scandinavian design, the EX90 is poised to lead the charge in the electric SUV market. Whether you prioritize eco-friendliness, safety, or performance, the EX90 delivers it all in a sleek, modern package. The EX90 embodies the quintessential Volvo aesthetic while embracing a modern, aerodynamic silhouette. Signature design elements like the Thor's hammer, LED headlamps, and vertically oriented taillights ensure the EX90 maintains its Scandinavian charm. Sleeker than the XC90, this SUV stands out as a sophisticated yet powerful addition to Volvo's all-electric lineup. The EX90's interior is a masterpiece of minimalist design, focusing on eco-friendliness without compromising on luxury. Large touchscreen interface. Most controls are housed within a clean and intuitive infotainment system, although drivers who prefer physical buttons may take some time to adjust. Panoramic glass roof creates an open, airy feel in the cabin. Seating for 7. A standard third row ensures room for the whole family or additional passengers. Eco-friendly materials. Volvo has eliminated leather in favor of premium alternatives, including high-end wool fabric blended with recycled plastics. With a dual-motor all-wheel drive system as standard, the EX90 offers two powertrain options. Twin motor delivers 402 horsepower, ensuring quick and smooth acceleration. Twin motor performance boosts power to 510 horsepower for those seeking even more thrilling performance. The EX90's performance is complemented by its adjustable air suspension and adaptive dampers, which provide a supple ride over various terrains. During initial tests, the performance model impressed with its responsiveness and agility, while maintaining the serene cabin environment expected of an electric vehicle. Range and charging. A sizable battery pack powers the EX90, offering an estimated range of 300 to 310 miles per charge. This makes it an excellent choice for long road trips or daily commutes. The SUV also supports DC fast charging, ensuring quick recharges for minimal downtime. The price of the 2026 Volvo EX90 starts at $81,290 and goes up to $90,640 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.